I'm Mauro Epis, and today we will change a part of the hydraulics circuit of Bianca, introducing a 4-way cross-fitting. The replacement kit consists in 3 tubes. One of these is shorter and a 4-way cross-fitting and a rubber connection. Take one of the 2 longer tubes and insert the rubber connection. Then take the cross-fitting and insert it on the other hand. Proceed inserting the other long tube on the right side and the shorter tube on the left side. The pipes must be inserted up to the polished part of the fitting. Do not disconnect the tube connected to the panel of the machine, this tube. Disconnect the tubes from the previous exhaust circuit. If you have the pipe, you have to remove it, or you can have the tube like this, but you have to remove it all. 1, 2, and 3. Shorter the connected hose by 4.5 centimeter. Okay, we have to remove this. Don't put your fingers. Connect the cross-fitting to the last tube. Okay. Reconnect the exhaust circuit tube, pass them under the copper tube. Okay. The shorter is this valve. This is the OPV valve. Okay, and this is the security valve. For more information, follow the kit instruction. Thank you for watching.